Island style will make you smile. Tap ta da 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 da. Bush. Come join our experience each and every episode with Island style kitchen, cooking in the bush. Yaksta the bush lad said that. Waklak skum, skalai boom, bututum, bush. Hey yo! But it's scrolling and clicking. Why you feel that chef over there mouth is dripping? Because they had just subscribed to Island Style Kitchen, cooking in the bush. Yaksta the bush lad and that's that. Waklak skum, skalai boom. Take it away with the gravy. Pow!
Wagwan people, welcome back to Island Style Kitchen. Yeah man, bless up on yourself. I hope you're having a fantastic day or night wherever you are in the world. Yeah man, thank you for tuning in again to Island Style Kitchen. All of my viewers and subscribers, big up yourself. If it's the first time to the channel, yeah man, welcome to Island Style Kitchen. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my Barbie spicy fried chicken. Yeah man, it's a spicy barbecue fried chicken I'm going to be making today, people. Yeah man, and I'm not going to be using the egg. I'm going to be using a club soda. So you guys just stay tuned and enjoy what's happening in Island Style Kitchen. Right now, I'm going to jump into the kitchen and show you how I make my Barbie spicy fried chicken. Island Style Kitchen. Boom. Yes, viewers and subscribers. These are the ingredients that I'm going to be using today to season my Barbie fried chicken. I have some Scotch bonnet peppers here, aka habanero pepper. I have some garlic. I have some fresh thyme. I have some Island Style mix seasoning. I have some Maggi chicken seasoning. And I have 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper. Over here I have 3 or about 4 pounds of chicken. The chicken was already cleaned and washed with vinegar and lime. I am going to also be using these ingredients to make the butter and the sauce. Over here I have a half a cup of dark brown sugar. I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I have some tomato ketchup. I have some club soda. I have some peach jam. And I also have some sweet soya sauce. I'm going to add a little bit of food coloring to the sauce to give the chicken the color that I desire. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and season my chicken. I'm going to go in with some Maggi chicken seasoning. I'm going to go in with some of my Island Style mix seasoning. I'm going with some garlic. I'm going with some thyme, some fresh green thyme, and everything here was washed already, guys. All my seasoning was already washed. I'm going to go in with some Scotch bonnet pepper. I am going in with some cayenne pepper. I'm also going to add a little bit of black pepper. Alright guys, so now that I add all the seasoning that I want on my chicken, I'm going to go in and massage the seasoning in the chicken. Alright guys, now that I'm finished seasoning my chicken, I'm going to cover it up and put it in the fridge to marinate for about an hour. It's best to do this overnight, but today this is a quick dish, so I'm going to just put it in the fridge for an hour, and then I'm going to start frying my Barbie fried chicken. So just stay tuned. I'm now going to go ahead and heat my pan up to start frying my chicken. I'm going to allow that fat to get really hot. I am going to add some oil, pepper and garlic. I'm going to make the batter for my chicken now, guys. So some Island Style mix seasoning, some cayenne pepper, 1 can of club soda, Yes guys, this is something different from what you're used to. I'm not going to be using any egg. I'm just using some club soda as my rising agent to make my batter. Alright, what you're going to do, you're going to season the club soda to your desired taste in terms of spice and salt. I'm going to add a little bit of my Maggi seasoning to the batter. You don't want this to be too salt, guys, so don't put too much seasoning in it. Alright, now I'm going to add my flour to the batter. This is just regular all-purpose flour, guys. It's very important for you to season this. You don't want it to be too watery. You want it to have a nice thick body to it, so it holds onto the chicken when you dip the chicken in it. I just want to say big up Chef Lando, a good friend of mine. He's the one who introduced me to using club soda instead of eggs or baking powder. Alright people, so I'm going to now add my chicken to the batter. I'm going with some drumsticks first. I'm taking all the green seasoning off of them because I don't want them to burn in the oil. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 drumsticks there. Alright, so what I'm doing here, I'm doing a wet dip, dry dip method, where I'm dipping it into the wet batter, and then I'm going to put the chicken into the dry batter because I want it to have a real nice crust. So here we go, first step. Anything that's excess, I'll drain it off. And I'm just going to drop it over here into the dry batter. Just toss that around a little bit. And I'll do the same for all of them. Yes, viewers and subscribers, so the oil is now nice and hot. I'm going to put some garlic in the oil and also a Scotch bonnet pepper. Remember, it's a spicy Barbie fried chicken. Alright, so I'm going to bring the fire down to a medium heat because I don't want the flour to burn. Yes, viewers and subscribers, now the oil is nice and hot. I'm going to start frying my chicken. You don't want the oil to be too hot because if the oil is too hot, it's going to burn the green seasoning and burn the flour, and then it's going to make your chicken start to taste bitter. Alright guys, so it's been about 10 minutes now since the chicken is frying. I'm going to flip them over on the other side. Normally I would fill the pot with oil so I don't have to do this part of it. They will just cook right through, but I'm just going to flip them over and I'm going to cover the pot so they get like a steam fry. They have a nice crust on them. I want them to be nice and crispy. Alright guys, so I'm going to cover the pot now. And then I'm going to turn the fire down to medium, low, and allow the chicken to steam fry. Yes, viewers and subscribers, now my chicken is golden brown. I'm going to take them out and put on this rack right here. And I'm going to put the second set of chicken in the oil to fry. I'm just going to allow them to drain right here, drain off the excess oil off of them. Yes, viewers and subscribers, so this is what the chicken look like. You see it has a nice crust on it. Yeah man, nice crust. And the chicken is still moist. And the outside, the crust is very crispy. I don't know if you can hear it. Listen. Yeah, man, it's still crispy and juicy and moist inside. You see that? Chicken still have juice inside of it. It didn't dry out. Alright, people, so. Alright, guys. Meanwhile, the second set of chicken is frying. I'm going to start making my sauce. So I'm putting about roughly 3 to 4 tablespoons of peach jam in my pan. I'm going to add some ketchup to this. And I'm using Grace ketchup, guys. It's my favorite ketchup. If you can use whatever ketchup you want to use. It doesn't have to be Grace. I'm going to add some sweet soy sauce. And now I am going to add some vinegar. Alright, I'm going to stir this and allow everything to come together. I'm going to bring my fire down to low and allow this to simmer down. I am going to add 2 tablespoons of Island style jerk seasoning. I am also going to add a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. I'm just mixing this together, guys, to get everything evenly distributed. I'm also adding 2 tablespoons of dark brown sugar. I am going to also add some food coloring, and this is red food coloring, just to give the chicken a different look. Alright, guys, so now what I'm going to do, I am going to be dipping my chicken into my barbecue sauce, and I'm going to put them on a rack and put them in the oven. My oven was already preheated at 400 degrees, and I'm going to cook these for anywhere from about 6 to 10 minutes. Yes, viewers and subscribers, so I'm just going to pop these in the oven for about 6 to 8 minutes at 400 degrees, guys, and then they're going to be ready to serve.
Yo, Island Style.
Viewers and subscribers, here you have it. Island Style Kitchen, spicy Barbie fried chicken.
Everything there, I talent stew chicken. Island Style, yeah, real finger licking. You know, here say it better than KFC chicken. Island Style, what you cooking? Smell it from a mile now, everybody looking. Vegetable cut straight from the farm. Island Style, bush pot, you what that a go on? What we doing? Cook.
Oh, yes, my viewers and my subscribers, this is the Barbie fried chicken. So right now I'm going to jump into this and I'm going to tell you a taste. People, it tastes so good. I wish you guys could taste it. It's not too spicy, not too sweet. It's just unbelievable, people. It's fried chicken. I can lick a 10 finger them. I like 2 that you didn't put into it. But, yeah, man. So what I want you guys to do, I want you guys to just go and try this recipe and leave it in the comment and tell me how it worked out for you. Alright? I want to say thank you guys very much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If it's your first time to the channel and you enjoy the video, consider subscribing to my channel. Yeah, man. The red button right down here, so just click the button to subscribe and subscribe to the channel, and turn on all post notification bells so you don't miss out on future videos from Island Style Kitchen. Yeah, man. You don't know, from an Island Style, it can't spoil. Island Style boss checking out now. Boom. Well, it tastes good. Wow.
Island style will make you smile. Tap ta da 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 da. Bush. Come join our experience each and every episode with Island Style Kitchen. Cooking in the bush. Yaksta the bush lad said that. Waklak skum. Skalai boom. Bututum. Bush. Hey yo! But it's scrolling and clicking. Why you feel that chef over there mouth is dripping? Because they had just subscribed to Island Style Kitchen. Cooking in the bush. Yaksta the bush lad and that's that. Waklak skum. Skalai boom. Take it away with the gravy.